Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate WooCommerce with Metapixel from Facebook. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that we are using. If you're using WordPress just like me, go to the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com, and after opening it up, this is going to be the homepage you're greeted by. So basically, if you have not already set up your WooCommerce store, you can do so by going into the plugin section right here at the left side of the screen, from where you can get started setting up your WooCommerce store using the plugins right here from the plugins marketplace. Go ahead and search for WooCommerce, and once you find the plugins, install them, purchase them, and set up your store. Once you have done that, we can go ahead and install the plugins we need for WooCommerce. We can go to the official WooCommerce website right here at WooCommerce.com and open up the extensions marketplace, from where we can go and start searching for the extension we want to use. And what we're looking for is right here immediately on the home page that you're going to be greeted by, which is the Facebook extension. This is going to enable you to integrate WooCommerce with Metapixel, because Metapixel is owned by Facebook, guys, so as you can see, and Metapixel to WooCommerce. This is going to enable you to integrate those two platforms. So what you can do is click add to store. Once you click add to store and follow the steps to integrate this with your store and connect your store with extensions, it's going to add it to your store, after which you can follow the steps and integrate Metapixel, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.